Next, meet the newer 6x9 feet photo studio collapsible backdrop. Made from 100% pure polyester, this collapsible green screen is as versatile as it is practical. Perfect for photography, video shoots, and television work, it offers reliable and consistent background removal, making it an excellent option for both amateurs and professionals. Plus, its easy-to-set-up design makes it a favorite for studio and on-location use. Curious to upgrade your shoot? Click the link below to explore the newer backdrop further. First up, we have the Elgato Green Screen XL. This extra-wide 79 by 72-inch chroma key panel is a dream come true for content creators. Crafted with wrinkle-resistant fabric, it provides a flawless background for streaming, video conferencing, and creating high-quality content on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Zoom, and OBS. Its generous size ensures even large setups have that perfect, clean look, and it folds away neatly for storage. If you want to see your background transform with ease every time you go live, check out the link in the description for more details on the Elgato Green Screen XL. Our fourth pick is the WebAround Big Shot 56-inch portable collapsible webcam backdrop. This green screen attaches easily to any chair, making it ultra-portable and ideal for quick setups in Zoom, WebEx, Teams, or any virtual meeting. Made with wrinkle-resistant fabric, it provides a smooth, professional background with an ultra-quick setup and takedown process, ensuring you're always ready to go on a video call without the hassle. Interested in making your next meeting pop? Click the link below to check out the WebAround Big Shot. Then there's the Fudesi Extra Large Green Screen. Measuring 74 by 77 inches, this collapsible chroma key panel comes with a portable, retractable design featuring an aluminum base and auto-locking frame. It's perfect for TikTok videos, live gaming streams, or any situation where you need a quick and clean green screen setup. Its wrinkle-resistant fabric keeps your background crisp, while the pull-up style means you can get started in no time. Want to see effortless setup in action? Hit the link in the description for more on the Fudesi Green Screen. Lastly, we have a real showstopper, the 7.87 feet by 13.12 feet, portable large chroma key green screen backdrop with stand. This massive setup is perfect for photo studios, video shooting, live streaming, parties, stage keying, or any large-scale production. Its robust support system and generous dimensions offer a seamless backdrop that elevates your video production quality to the next level. Whether you're planning a big shoot or live event, this green screen is a game changer. Want the full details on this powerhouse setup? Check out the link in the description. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the perfect green screens for your videos. In 2025, which one fits your style and needs? Curious for more? The links in the description have everything you need to check out these green screens further and upgrade your video production today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.